In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable the out-of-office message in Salesforce Lightning Experience. Whether you're heading out on vacation or need some uninterrupted time for deep work, setting your out-of-office message ensures colleagues are notified of your absence, helping to manage expectations and keep things running smoothly. Let's dive right into it, and I'll guide you every step of the way. First, let's navigate to your Salesforce homepage. Once you're logged into Salesforce Lightning Experience, head over to the homepage. This acts like the central hub from where you can access all your user settings and controls. This is your starting point, so make sure you're there before we proceed to the next steps. Now, look for your profile picture or icon, likely located in the upper right corner of your screen. Clicking here reveals a drop-down menu which includes the option to view your profile. Go ahead and click on View Profile. This will direct you to your personalized profile area containing all your personal settings and preferences. Next, within your profile area, search for the Settings option. It's usually tucked away with other account-related choices. Clicking on Settings takes you to a new screen where you'll find various options related to how your Salesforce environment is configured. Moving on, you'll find an option labeled Calendar and Reminders. Go ahead and click on that. This section manages settings related to how you receive notifications and reminders within Salesforce, a crucial component if you're stepping away from your usual duties. Once you're in the Calendar and Reminders section, we need to dive a little deeper by clicking on Activity Reminders. It's here that you can fine-tune how and when reminders are delivered, ensuring consistency even while you're away. Let's focus now on reminder settings. At this point, I recommend you check the settings thoroughly. If necessary, check the appropriate checkboxes to activate specific reminders that will notify others you're out of office. This might be especially important if you want certain alerts still reaching you, depending on your absence length and reason. Shifting over to email settings, this area allows customization around email-based communication, possibly setting up autoresponders or adjusting who receives what notifications. Briefly explore this section, ensuring all settings align with your needs for the time you'll be away. And finally, once you've adjusted everything, make sure you click on the Save button. It's crucial to save all your changes before exiting to ensure everything is set up just the way you want it. And there you go. You've successfully enabled your out-of-office message in Salesforce Lightning Experience. By following these steps, you ensure that everyone is informed of your absence and that your responsibilities are managed while you're away. Thanks for watching and have a great day.